Welcome to the Work Planner Checklist training. Let's take a moment to understand why the Work Planner Checklist was created. Once a new customer order has been entered into our ERP system, the order is visible, but it is not necessarily ready for production. Important preliminary work may still need to be planned, assigned, purchased, and completed. Account management may need to verify inventory and work in process. Engineering may need to review requirements, develop the manufacturing process, create CNC programs, design fixtures, prepare documentation, or develop training for a new or revised process. Quality may need to review customer quality clauses and identify special inspection or certification requirements. Quality control may need to prepare inspection plans, gauges, and CMM programs before the first part reaches inspection. Long lead items may also need to be purchased early enough to protect the schedule. These could include raw material, special tools, gauges, hardware, fixtures, or outside processing services. If those needs are identified too late, production may be ready to begin, but still waiting for the resources required to do the work. That is the purpose of the Work Planner Checklist, or WPC. The WPC is a phase-gated planning system that connects a new order in ERP to a complete, production-ready manufacturing package. It gives the team one shared place to see what work is required, who owns it, whether it is on schedule, and what must still be completed before release. The amount of planning is not the same for every order. A new product introduction, or NPI, may require a complete manufacturing plan, including process models, CNC programs, fixtures, tools, inspection methods, documentation, training, and purchasing requirements. A revision change may require the team to determine what changed and how it affects material, inventory, work in process, programs, fixtures, tools, gauges, travelers, and inspection documents. A repeat order may already have an approved process, but the team must still confirm the correct revision, inventory, material, tooling, gauges, and production documents. Because these order types carry different risks, the WPC applies different checks based on whether the order is an NPI, a revision change, an internal change, or a repeat job. The selected order type determines which checks are required and where the order enters the workflow. Think of each phase as a readiness gate. Each gate asks, do we have the correct order information? Do we have the complete technical data? Has engineering developed the manufacturing plan? Have long lead material, tools, gauges, fixtures, and outside services been identified and ordered? Are the programs, documents, inspection resources, and training ready? And finally, are we truly ready to release the order to production? The goal is not simply to move the order through the system quickly. The goal is to confirm that the required work is complete and that the next team has what it needs to succeed. The WPC also creates clear ownership. Account managers confirm order details, inventory, and work in process. Engineering develops the manufacturing plan, programs, fixtures, documentation, and training. Quality reviews customer requirements and quality clauses. Quality control prepares inspection plans, gauges, and CMM programs. Purchasing secures long lead materials, tools, gauges, hardware, fixtures, and outside services. Engineering management monitors workload, assigns resources, and removes barriers. Everyone has a different role, but everyone is working toward the same goal: a complete, accurate, and controlled release to production. The WPC also provides schedule visibility. If work is complete, in progress, delayed, or waiting on material, tooling, or a gauge, the system should show it. A check should never be marked complete just to move the order forward. It should only be completed when the work meets the required criteria. When the WPC is used correctly, we can start long lead activities sooner, coordinate work across departments, identify schedule risks earlier, and prevent incomplete planning packages from reaching the shop floor. The ERP tells us what was ordered and what needs to be produced. The Work Planner checklist tells us whether we are ready to produce it. As your trainer begins the system demonstration, remember the big picture. The right checks for the order type, early identification of long lead requirements, clear ownership, schedule visibility, and a controlled path from order entry to production release. Let's get started.
If you have any questions or need further clarification, please reach out to the author of this training. You can contact Robert Gallegos, Director of Quality and Engineering. Questions are always encouraged, because a well-understood system is a controlled system.